Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be looking at CAD yen, right? So what I have here is CAD yen on the 4 hour. Now the configuration is pretty interesting, okay, even though we are actually within a downtrend. Okay, so even though we are actually within a downtrend for the CAD yen, right, let me just get bearish trend line. Okay, we see that price is actually making lower highs, right? Lower highs, we can expect price to come back up and make another lower high, right? So this is the 4 hour, and I just want to do a retracement on the last current move high down to low and open all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that the setting 860, right, is at that level. There are two resistance levels. There's one over here, okay, it's quite close to setting 860. If we want, we can actually take it to this graphical overlap here, this small graphical overlap in close, right? And we can also get another level at the 61.8. Okay, so there are two resistances, right, that we are actually looking out for. Okay, so for swing trades, what you really want to do is play up to the 7860 level at 89.56. okay, for intraday trade we can actually just look at this 89.020. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Now let's ignore this trend line. Just remember that these are the levels that we have identified. Okay, so I'm just going to back it up a bit, and then I'm going to draw a box around here to show that this really is a resistance level that we can be looking at. Okay, now looking at the market structure here, right, this looks very well like an Elliott wave, right? Wave 1, okay, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Rule of Elliott wave of alternates is actually obeyed over here. This wave 2 is small, this wave 4 is large and fast, and then wave 5 looking to end over here. Okay, so we can use Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and we see that the 7860 is actually in this area here, 7860, 7640. Alright, it's actually all within this area. And just nice, our 100%, okay, our 100% is also in line with the longer term, the H4 swing target of 78.6 retracement. Okay, we can also draw a trend line, okay, holding above all this, holding the trend, the short-term trend here. And what I'm looking at price could do is price could very well push down and come up to this level as a possible take profit. So let's do a retracement from the low to where price currently is, and we see the negative 61.8 is actually quite close to the 76.40. so this is a very nice take profit zone, and we can expect price to push down to the 38.20 here, okay, with this as a possible buy entry. And then I'll have my stop loss just outside of the 61.8, right? So this will be a stop loss, okay, and I'm just going to just remember it's just going to be like that. So I'll wait for price to pull back down towards these two levels, and what you can have, okay, is that this is okay, this can be your first take profit, your intraday take profit, right? The intraday take profit, and this can be the final take profit, the swing target. Very nice risk reward, right? So a trend line is here. In the event that, you know, price breaks lower, okay, it would actually have already formed a lower low, a lower high, and it will also form a lower low as well as price moves down. Now we know price will never drop in a straight line, but it will actually, you know, move in a zigzag manner. Okay, last but not least, we can also look at indicator. Right, over here we see that price is holding very nicely above the moving average. It seems that 21 is a bit too sensitive. Let's look at 34. 34 seems to hold it nicer in a downtrend and also in an uptrend. Okay, so 34 moving average is nice, it's the natural moving average, and MACD is above 0, no sign of divergence, showing that, you know, price should continue its bullish momentum. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day on CAD yen. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe. I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.